Camera technology has undergone continuous technological development from film to digital. Cameras, acting as substitutes for human eyes, have developed to the level of recognizing spaces and objects, and are now advancing to the stage of thinking and making decisions autonomously. Smartphones have advanced past communication devices. They have evolved into much more than that. At the heart of it all, the camera app is taking its position as the core of the smartphone. We have introduced creative and innovative technologies to further the development of cameras. Continuous research development and endless challenges have driven Hyvision's leap as a global leader. We have led changes through our creative and technological capabilities. We are expanding and are being recognized as a global leader in a world that needs us. Innovation is the DNA of Hyvision systems. Challenges for the future are still continuing. Hyvision system is leading the market with its accumulated technology skills. Even in the field of secondary battery assembly and inspection, we are contributing to global changes to make a cleaner future. Our vision recognition technology combines our AI robotics technology with our self-developed 3D printer through lidar sensor scanner technology, which is needed in this autonomous driving era and is accelerating the age of true smart factories. Our technology will play a very crucial role in the fourth industrial revolution, filling our happy future without stopping. Experiencing that happy future together. An unending challenge for a beautiful future. As the DNA of innovation, we challenge ourselves to create for the common good.